How to cancel a shipped order. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial perfect in order to cancel an order in Shipt. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can head over to shipt.com, or you can even download the application. You can just do any of them. And the thing you need to understand is that you can only cancel for free only before your shopper has started shopping. Once shopping begins, cancellation may be limited and a fee can be applied. So if you want to really cancel, you can go for the orders option in the top right corner and go ahead and click on it. And once you click on that option, you should be able to view your order space. You can also look out for this menu option in the top left and select the option of orders in order to view your order space here. Now within the space, you can open up the order that you want to cancel. Basically look out for that order, and once you find that order, you can start by looking for a cancel option or edit or cancel, something like that. And you just need to choose that option, and you will be given an option to choose a reason why you would like to cancel. You need to go ahead and provide in a valid reason and confirm it up, and you will be seeing a confirmation once it is canceled. And that is how you basically cancel. If you do not see that option yet, that means your shop has already started shopping. The order is very close to the delivery window. The application has log changes for the order, so you can just go over and instead try looking out for their help center. You can go for Shipt Help Center and go ahead and access their help center directly. Look out for Let's Chat Store to Store Delivery Contact. And this is a specific help center. You can look out for live chat option, this one right here in the bottom right corner, and click on Start Conversation. After that, you can ask support for cancellation. If your shopping has already started, you can just go over and use this, but the cancellation fee may still apply. So you can use this method. And that is it, everybody. These are the methods you can follow up if you'd like to cancel your order using Shipt. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.